So if you want a more specific result, then you can give a more specific prompt to DeepSeek as well. So for that, you need to follow out a rule. For example, what you need to do is you need to give a role to DeepSeek. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and give a role by saying, let's say, for example, as a creative story writer, right here, just like this. So I gave it a role right here for an online blog. So I'm being more specific right here. So I'm giving it a role saying as a creative story writer for an online blog. And what I want to do is I'm going to go around and say, write a blog post, just like this. So as a creative story writer for an online blog, I'm saying write a blog post in about 80 words, just like this. And I can say make it 3 paragraphs. So I'm just going to go around and be more specific, write a blog post in about 80 words and make it 3 paragraphs right here, 3 paragraphs. And not more than 4 paragraphs right here, just like this. So as I do this, you can see that I said as a creative story writer. So I gave it a role and I defined a goal by giving it the prompt to write in 80 words. But I set a limitation around over here as well, a restriction, as you can see. And I said make it 3 paragraphs and not more than 4 paragraphs is necessary. And then I can define a format as well finally. So I'm just going to go around and say, make sure the first paragraph is an introduction. Second paragraph is the main content, and final paragraph is a conclusion right here, just like this. So now what I can actually do is I can go ahead and say, let's say for example, let this blog be about benefits of traveling as a student right here, just like this. So I gave it a proper format, as you can see, like I gave it a particular role right here, and I defined a goal, as you can see, just like this. And I also went ahead and gave it a specific format right here. And then what happens is that I also gave it a specific structure, and then I gave it finally a topic. So this is a more specific comment, as you can see right here. So I can just go ahead and send this out, and now DeepSeek will process it and will go ahead and give an output accordingly. So you can see that as a blog writer, it actually went ahead and generated out the content right here. So you can see that I got 3 paragraphs, and this is the introduction, this is the main body, and the conclusion at the end. And you can even see conclusion right here. So this is how you can give a more specific prompt as you like inside of DeepSeek to get specific results. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.